I need to go to the bathroom.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Yo, this is a joke.
Yo, cuz you coming to my 18th.
Yeah, of course I'm coming.
Don't know, respect, cuz.
Thank you so much for this award. Heroes, a film I've been working on for over a year now. I thank my mum, my dad, everyone. This award really means a lot to me.
Today I got my new job.
Working where?
Working in the nail salon.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel good.
I can't believe I just met Ciara here, guys. She's so nice, and she sings as nicely in person as she does on recordings. Talent, thanks.
Yesterday my cat went missing at around 10 o'clock. And I've been looking everywhere. And I'm really worried about her. Me and my dad have been looking like around the neighborhood, knocking on people's houses to make sure that she isn't gone into anybody else's house. So right now I hope people can see the posters to help find my cat.
What did I say?
Yeah.
You said that when I was in gymnastics, I wasn't going to do gymnastics. I never said that. I don't know. I don't even go to your gymnastics. Why would I have said that? Well,
Yeah.
who else? I don't know. There's so many other people that go to your gymnastics. There's like 20 other people. Why are you assuming that it was me when I don't even go?
Because you've been sus.
Really?
Yes.
How?
Because you were jealous because I was in the top.
I literally wouldn't be jealous. Why would I be jealous?
Because
Mate, I know what you said about me.
From who?
Ciara told me what you said about me.
What did I say then?
You said I don't shower, now the whole school thinks I'm dirty.
That wasn't me. It's probably
Yes, it
someone
was
else
you.
called Jenny.
Who else in the school called Jenny?
Miss!
So you're saying that a teacher would spread a rumour about me?
Probably.
You're lying, bro.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Why would a teacher? Why would...
You don't stink though.
Well, people obviously don't think that because the whole school is saying that I don't shower.
Look, it was probably Miss because she sees you every day. I don't see you every day, do I?
Why would a teacher spread a rumour about me? What's the point?
She probably was gossiping to the other teachers.
Why would you do that? Anyway, plus also, probably you, because you've been texting someone that I know and you're salty.
Wasn't me. Wasn't me. I heard what you said about me.
What did I say about you?
You said that I was homeless.
I never said that.
You did. You said that I was sleeping on the streets in a cardboard box.
Well, it's kind of true, isn't it?
It's not.
Yes, it is.
I have a home.
Look at the state of you.
You told everyone that I didn't shower, and you told them that I was stunk, and you told them that I had nothing to eat, and that I was going through bins and stuff behind Nando's.
Well, it's true, isn't it?
It's not.
I saw you the other day.
I have a home.
Where then? Where's your home?